Welcome to the third video of the Neobux video tutorial series. Let's begin with the second step. Once you have 60 cents in your balance, rent the first 3 referrals. At this point, turn AutoPay on. This option is available from the Referrals list menu. Referrals cost $0.30 a month to maintain. Instead of paying for the referral, they will pay themselves as long as AutoPay is on. You get 1 penny less from each referral, but they will be your referral as long as they are active. As a standard, you receive 0.005 per click from each rented referrals. Now let's have a look on how the referral clicks are going forward. 0.005 per ad multiplied by 4, then ads a day again multiplied by 3 referrals. It is equal to 6 cents per day. Okay. Now, total earnings, 6 cents per day. Let's jump on to the third step. Keep renting referrals by increments of 3 once you have the money. You can rent bigger packages as you make more money. Rented referrals packages come in sizes of 3, 10, 20, 40, etc. Repeat this process until you have 300 referrals. This will take a few months to accomplish, and this is where most people flake out. Don't give up. Keep going. You are doing it great now. Let's see referral clicks here. 0.005 per ad multiplied by 4 ads a day, and it's multiplied by 300 referrals. This is equal to $6 per day. Now you have total earnings, $6 per day. Note, this example assumes that all referrals are active daily. It is not an ideal world, and this kind of scenario is highly unlikely. These numbers are for illustrative purposes only. You will need more than 300 referrals to have 300 active referrals. When you reach 300 referrals, stop buying referrals and just maintain the ones you already have. Keep doing this until you have $90 in your balance, and you can use it to pay for the golden upgrade. I hope this has been informative for you. And I'd like to thank you for viewing. See you on next video tutorial. Cheers.